I found a company that sells or rents vending machines. You can customize it and you can rent it also for long-term or short-term. Like kung may mga events kayo, pwede kayong mag-rent sa kanila ng vending machine. So nakita ko yung concept na to kay DJ Vending PH. You can message them for more questions. Actually, una ko siyang nakita kay Colorette. So, as a business owner, gusto ko rin magkaroon ng something na ganito. So, minessage ko kaagad sila to know more about their prices. And ayun nga, you can really customize your own vending machine. So, if you want to know more about this, you can message them dito sa Facebook page nila. Super dami nilang choices na pwedeng i-offer sa iyo. Actually, this is also a great business idea if you want to start a business. Once you message them naman, they are so responsive sa lahat ng inquiries ninyo. And when it comes to the price, they offer good prices. So yeah, you can message them here sa Facebook page nila at mag-inquire lang kayo. Yan lang, good luck!